These days, we use phones to do a lot of different things. Fun things, useful things, more fun things. But over time, they can get cluttered. Which is why millions of people use the Files app to keep their phones organized and clean. But what about the outside of your phone? There are a lot of ways to keep your phone clean. Wiping, more wiping, cases. Cases for cases. You can even get specialized hardware. But what if there was a way for your phone to keep itself clean from the inside out? Introducing a new feature in the Files app, Screen Cleaner. Screen Cleaner uses the Smudge Detector API to identify imperfections. Using our geometric dirt models and haptic micro-movement generator, Screen Cleaner dislodges dirt, smudges, and more. Once the phone is clean, internal vibration and haptic controls create micro-vibrations, forming a long-lasting non-stick shield around the surface of the phone. So with just a few taps, your screen is like new, with a fresh pineapple scent. Keep your phone clean, inside and out, with Files by Google.
我々が新たに開発した G ボードスプーン曲げバージョンは思いのままにパソコンやスマートフォンへの文字入力を可能にするデバイスです。
このスプーンの柄の部分に曲げセンサーが搭載されていまして、どれだけの深さを曲げたかが数値化して取れるようになっています。
その数値をもとに文字が選択され、指を離すと確定し、パソコンやスマートフォンに入力されます。あなたのさじ加減でまさに直感的な入力ができます。
物事をストレートに考えた方が文字入力としては早く答えにたどり着くのだと。
今までは直球勝負でやってきたんですけども、カーブとか曲がる球どうかなとか、フォークっていう球あったのか、思い通りに入力をできるっていう、その部分はどうしても曲げられないというふうに思ってたんですね。そこを我々としても一生懸命突き詰めていったんですけど、最終的にはサジを投げそうになってしまったんです。ちょっと待てよと。サジを投げるんではなくて、曲げればどうなるかな。
曲げの耐久テストも万全、長期の使用も安心です。
子供が一番最初に使うのはやっぱりスプーンで、
誰でもいつでも、そしてどこでも実現させる楽しい入力デバイスが完成しました。また身近にある曲げるものを使ったバリエーションも開発を進めています。手を使わない曲げ入力も研究中です。入力を超えた超入力が可能になるでしょう。さらにアウトドアバージョンでダイナミックな文字入力も
自信を持ってお勧めできます。
G ボードスプーン曲げバージョンはあなたの文字入力の救いになること間違いありません。
Hello, nice to meet you.
The Netherlands produce about 50% of all flowers in the world. The most famous one of all, the tulip, of course.
Flowers are really remarkable organisms. We've known for decades that they can actually communicate to each other through their root system.
For the past 2 years, Wageningen University has been working very closely with Google to use cutting-edge technology to look deeper into communication with plants.
Hello. We collected an incredible amount of information. Using automated machine learning, we turned this information into a new rudimentary language, which is becoming more and more sophisticated over time.
The more we listen to nature, the more we discover the amazing things it has to say.
Okay, Google, talk to my tulip. What do you want?
Water, please.
We've applied all this research into our latest product, Google Tulip.
2 granddaughters, Frances, who just had a second baby.
That is so interesting.
And...
Finished. Nothing left.
More. You promised more water.
At Keukenhof, we're very excited about tulip technology. We like to know what tulips need, and what better way than to ask them.
I need water, more light.
Please improve humidity.
What is a Please come here. More space.
No more compost.
No water. Thank you. Who are you?
Why are there so many like me?
This way.
More light.
Of course, this is only the beginning. We're rolling out the tulip language in the beginning of April, but we're already well underway with several updates.
Hello?
No.
Cactus.
Leave me alone.
It's so great not to have a one-way relationship with the tulips anymore.
What is the meaning of my existence?
Tulip is a breakthrough in human-plant communication, letting users around the world communicate with any tulip.
Okay, Google. Play my favorite music. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. Drop that beat.